should go above all others. When we need to relax, then it's the forest. You read greenery and amazing landscapes. And this forest is home for a number of beautiful birds. In this video, I will introduce to some of these beautiful birds. The Indian grey hornbill is a medium-sized hornbill, generally found in a pair. The male has a large casque on a dark bill, and female has more yellowish bill. Red-wattled lapwing is an Asian lapwing or a large plover. Like other lapwings, they are ground birds that are incapable of perching. If you hear loud alarm sounds, then it must be a lapwing. The Indian vulture is an old world vulture native to India, Pakistan and Nepal. It has been listed critically endangered as the population severely declined. This is very sad. Hope their population revive. The Indian crested serpent eagle is bird of prey with widespread range across the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, East Asia. The crested hawk eagle is a large bird of prey. The Indian jungle crow is a species of crow found across the Indian subcontinent. It is very common and readily distinguished from the house crow. The Rufous treepie is a treepie native to Indian subcontinent. It is a member of the crow family, sometimes called the toothpick bird of the tiger. Scope owls is the largest genus of owls in terms of number of species. Jungle owlet has a rounded head and is finally barred all over. Oriental honey buzzard is a bird of prey. It appears long-necked with a small head, feeds on the larvae of social bees and wasps. The yellow-footed green pigeon is a common species of green pigeon. They forage in flock. The racket-tailed drongo is distinctive in having elongated outer tail feathers. The plum-headed parakeet is a parakeet in the males having a pinkish purple head and the females a grey hair. The little cormorant is a member of the cormorant family of seabirds, slightly smaller than the Indian cormorant and has a shorter beak. The painted stork is a large warder in the stork family. Here, if you see, this pair is nicely pushing fishes and crabs from one leg towards the long beak. Very skillful bird. Oriental magpie-robin bird class as a member of like Arthur. They are distinctive black and white birds with a long tail that is held upright. Yellow-wattled lapwing is a lapwing that is endemic to Indian subcontinent. It is only found mainly on dry plains. Although they do not migrate, they are known to make seasonal movements in response to rain. Red-nabbed ibis also known as the Indian black ibis, is a species of ibis found in plains of Indian subcontinent. Unlike other ibis in the region, it is not very dependent on water. The Indian roller, the face is rufous white, the throat pinkish, head and back are brown, with blue on the rump and contrasting light and dark blue on the wings and tail. And when they fly, their wings look so bright. The orange-headed thrush is a bird in thrush family. The Malabar pied hornbill, also known as lesser pied hornbill, is a bird in hornbill family. Such a beautiful and majestic bird. Finally, I would like to introduce the most beautiful bird, which is none other than Indian peafowl, also known as Indian peacock. This bird is a national bird of India, and none can beat their beauty when they come in display pose. Thanks all for watching this video. There are 250 bird species in Bandhavgarh, and we could cover for now much only. Maybe someday we will cover all 250 birds species of Bandhavgarh. Please like and comment and subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. We will keep bringing such content again and again.